Hey guys, we're doing the cool down phase.
No,
this is.
I need to readjust the hose.
Whoa! You're right.
Just about. Right, let it go anywhere near the water now. Right, tell you what, if.
Hang on, is there a pause button? I would have just paused it while you readjust it. Oh, and it's slow it's smaller pulse tumbles for what you call it, isn't it?
Now, what program is E? Isn't E Woolen?
No, E is Woolens.
Yeah.
It's Woolens. Is that the cool down phase, is it?
Yeah, as well as. Right, I need a clock. I would use this clock, providing it is not too wet.
Shall I put the hose back on or turn it on?
Hold on, wait a minute. Don't turn it on.
Turn it on?
No, don't turn it on.
No.
That's now tightened up.
Hold on.
Fine.
Oh, that's the adapters you can get for any washing machine and all that.
Yeah, right.
Oh, right. Cool down phase it is. Here we go.
On.
So
have you paused it?
I've started it now.
Right.
Well, I've left it going while we.
Okay, right. Well, now doing cool down.
And we'll be up to there on. It's not making that noise. Oh, it's still filling. It's filled in the pre-wash section now.
Tap up max.
Put it up maxi. And we're gonna about halfway up the door, is it?
Right, okay, I'm gonna re-screw this thing back in.
Yep.
Yeah, where are you going?
I'm not.
Oh.
I was just having a look where it's gonna drain. Oh, it's gonna be in that manky standpipe, isn't it?
Yeah,
Full of
right.
clobber and dirt.
Fine. In a bit, I'll get the door hinge out of the garage.
What door hinge is that?
The door hinge for the twin seats.
Okay.
And if we've got, well, if I know where the door is.
So when you're in, you're gonna just jump in like that, are you?
Yeah, it's running on
How are we doing? Still filling. And is it about a 3-minute cool down phase, is it?
I don't know, little Joe.
I'll have to see, wouldn't
It's
it?
doing the whole wooden cycle.
Oh.
Where is the screwdriver? It was over there a minute ago. Joe. It's all your fault.
What?
Oh, there it is. I've lost the screwdriver.
Oh. Oh, I can see the heat indicator.
Yeah, it was here. I'll probably have a look into that when I've got some time and can be bothered.
I mean, it's gonna be hard work to try and get all the lights, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm gonna have to take the location. And that's not too hard. Could be worse.
And we're draining.
There you go. That was a 3-minute cool down.
Yeah, I got it well timed and right.
Put it into that drain.
That's gonna overflow, isn't it? Good God. Good God. Good golly. Takes a while to get out to distribute, doesn't it? Steady. I've got it. There we go, we're up distribute now. And we finished draining. and with rinsing again. So we're on first rinse.